First and foremost, you need to define what is success for you. Not Sharma ji का क्या success है, not Pratik का क्या success है, what success for me. Because my environment is different. So let me give you examples. When I was in the US, at that point in time, my parameter of success was I get a job in the US, I earn in dollars, I give away my loan. अगर मैं ये खत्म करूंगा तो I mean I'm successful. 2021 में I had an issue with my back and that's where I started thinking भाई हो क्या रहा है. For me, success का parameter changed. Success for me became if I'm able to take care of Garima and Uday, financially, physically, everything, and whether my health is proper or not. अब ये दो चीज मेरा success parameters है. अगर I'm taking care of this, from here I look at what my goal should be. How can I achieve this now? After doing some ideas, coaching came in that I can achieve this. Then to achieve this success, I did a honest SWOT analysis on myself. ये my strengths क्या है, मेरा weakness क्या है. अच्छा weakness है कि I'm not certified, लोग मुझे क्यों बोलेंगे, तो मैंने certification किया. इसके basis पे आके then life starts. The most important part is success cannot be based on someone else. And at this point in time, Pratik, 3 साल लगा मुझे. I'm financially free.
Wonderful.
I'm debt free.
Wonderful.
My kids' education is taken care of.
Wonderful.
Garima and I, our healthcare is taken care of. 10 years down the line, I know where we're going to stay. We already have a farmhouse, everything is getting built. So that is my life.
Awesome.
But जो तुम mindset की बात कर रहे थे ना, Pratik, has to be very strong. 2021, we decided, I'm using the word we. Very critical in a family. It's we. I can't just say, Dada, Papa, I'm done. Yeah, so because a lot of communication has to be there. So we decided we will be taking this step. Now doing that, think that we had to let go of a lot of things. For example, we have the same 11-year-old Sedan car that is going on. We don't have the second SUV bought. We don't have the second villa being there. We haven't taken the 5th vacation, foreign vacation at this point in time. I'm not saying don't let it. It's a personal choice. Again, that's why I say success is something different. कुछ जो ये कर रहा है वो गलत कर रहा है, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ. उसके लिए वो सही हो सकता है, मेरे लिए वो सही नहीं था. To achieve this financial freedom, we let go of all these things. There was societal pressure. There was family pressure. हम लोग देख रहे हैं भाई वो क्या कर रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. I left my job at EY. I was a senior manager, director level out there, and in the next couple of years I would have become a partner. जब मैं वो job छोड़ के when I got into coaching and teaching that I'm doing, a lot of people think, Ankur, यार, you're there after 17 years, why you're leaving everything? But it did not make sense. So those type of things.
But I think अंकुर आपने अपने US टाइम का वो पार्ट हमें नहीं बताया जहाँ आपने ऑलरेडी काफी साइड हसल्स चलाए, राइट? तो आई थिंक ये आपका एक्सपीरियंस था साइड हसल्स चलाने का और सक्सेसफुली करने का, मल्टीपल चीजें जो कि आपको एक पॉइंट पे लेके आया कि हाँ यू वर एबल टू लीव EY and you were confident कि हाँ if I'm going into coaching I will make it.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
So around that part of it also, when I went into coaching, it's not like it तुरंत छोड़ दिया. I was coaching for a year and a half on the side, trying to feel, again, this will be a generational word that I'm going to use, fling है या this is a marriage. Fling basis पे बहुत चीज exciting लगता है. जब तुम नया start करते हो ना, अरे यार यही तो है, it will be fun, it will be so much thing, but there is a lot of work comes along with it. True. Even if you talk about side hustle, it is a lot of work.
Yeah.
It is a lot of work in terms of simple things like how do you going to get your clients. मतलब कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में तो भाई एक सेल्स टीम है, वो लेके आएगी, हम लोग डिलीवर करेंगे, वो प्रोसेस सेट है. यहाँ पे तो तुम ही सीए हो, तुम ही चपरासी हो. It takes a lot of time and effort in that part.